22nd question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2 from the Bluebook app. And number 22 is asking about the conventions of standard English. You should look at your answer choices. First, it's not testing punctuation, no punctuation there. It's testing part speech. These are verbs. You gotta check for tense and subject verb agreement. If you read with it in front of each answer choice, it works for all of them. So it's not testing subject verb agreement, it's testing verb tense. When we go to the question, I'm just going to read from here. By the end of the 1990s, that shows that something started in the past, started and ended in the past, happened over a period of time. The organization had doubled. So whenever you have something that begins and ends in the past, happens over that period of time, that begins and ends in the past, you know it's got to be had plus the verb. B is your correct answer. See the full length video, including my long answer, check us out on YouTube, Masters Learning Center. The videos are above this on this playlist.